How to get Qatar Privilege card. Now, this is actually very easy. All you have to do is to pull up your preferred web browser and then go to qatarairways.com. Now, once you are on this page, you can actually scroll all the way down and click this card right here, Join Privilege Club, and click Join Now. Once you click on it, you will be routed to the Privilege Club cards here. And then all you have to do is to fill out necessary information like your email address, your password, country code, your personal details, enrollment promo code if there is one, sign up for their news and offers. You can choose to check which of these boxes you want. Now, Privilege Club is actually an exclusive member only offers. They have complimentary onboard Wi-Fi. You will enjoy award, flights and upgrades, earn and spend views your way, pay with cash. You'll get extra baggage and allowance, and you will also get points from this. So if you booked a ticket out of this privilege club, you'll get like a silver, gold, platinum points. Like if you're still on silver, you'll get around 150 Q points on your 12-month period, and then gold up to 300 points, and so on and so forth. So all you just have to do is to register and fill out these necessary informations right here. So that's how you get Qatar Airways Privilege Club card.